Did you know that even mild dehydration can affect your mood and energy levels? Staying properly hydrated with electrolytes can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day. Hydration is one of those things that's easy to overlook, but it's essential for our bodies to function properly. We all know that drinking water is important, but sometimes that's not enough. Our bodies need a little extra help to really absorb the water and make the most of it. That's where electrolytes come into play. They're these tiny particles that help our bodies regulate everything from muscle function to hydration levels. Electrolytes are especially important for people who are active, whether it's hitting the gym or just running around after the kids. When we sweat, we lose electrolytes, and if we don't replenish them, we can start to feel pretty crummy. But it's not just athletes who need to worry about electrolytes. Anyone can get dehydrated, and it's not always obvious when it's happening. Dehydration can sneak up on us, especially during the summer months or when we're traveling. Even mild dehydration can cause headaches, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. So, it's worth paying attention to our hydration levels and making sure we're getting enough electrolytes. When it comes to staying hydrated, there are a few common challenges that people face. For example, some people might struggle to drink enough water throughout the day, while others might find that they're not getting enough electrolytes in their diet. Others might experience dehydration during exercise or in hot weather. One of the biggest challenges is figuring out how to get enough electrolytes. Some people might turn to sports drinks, but those can be high in sugar and other ingredients that we don't need. Others might try to get electrolytes through food, but that can be tricky, especially if we're not eating a balanced diet. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. Dehydration during exercise is a major concern, as it can lead to decreased performance and even serious health issues. Electrolyte imbalance is also a common issue, as it can cause muscle cramps, fatigue, and other problems. Additionally, people who are sick or have certain medical conditions might need to pay extra attention to their hydration levels. Lack of electrolyte balance can also cause a range of problems, from muscle weakness to heart issues. So it's really important to make sure we're getting enough electrolytes in our diet. But how do we do that? What are electrolytes exactly? And how do they work? Electrolytes are electrically charged particles that help our bodies function properly. They're like little messengers that help our cells communicate with each other. The main electrolytes that we need are sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These electrolytes help regulate everything from muscle function to hydration levels. Our bodies need electrolytes to function properly, and we can get them through food, drinks, or supplements. Some foods that are high in electrolytes include bananas, avocados, and leafy greens. We can also get electrolytes through sports drinks or electrolyte-enhanced water. Always get sports drinks with little to no sugar. But here's the thing, not all electrolytes are created equal. Some sources are more effective than others, and some might be more suitable for certain people. For example, athletes might need more electrolytes than sedentary people, and pregnant women might need to be extra careful about getting enough electrolytes. Incorporating electrolytes into our daily routines can be easy and convenient. We can add electrolyte-rich foods to our diet, drink electrolyte-enhanced water, or take supplements. There are also many products on the market that can help us stay hydrated, from electrolyte-rich drinks to hydration packs. So what are some effective methods or products for hydrating with electrolytes? Well, one of the most popular options is electrolyte enhanced water. This type of water has electrolytes added to it, which can help our bodies absorb the water more effectively. Another option is to use electrolyte-rich drinks such as coconut water or sports drinks. These drinks can provide a boost of electrolytes, especially during or after exercise. Some people also swear by electrolyte supplements, which can be added to water or taken on their own. Natural sources of electrolytes are also worth exploring. Foods like bananas, dates, and avocados are all high in electrolytes and can be a great way to get what we need. Even certain types of water like coconut water or alkaline water can provide a boost of electrolytes. In addition to these options, there are also some surprising insights to consider. For example, did you know electrolyte-rich drinks can help with hangovers? Or that electrolytes can even help with skin issues like acne? Recapping the main points, we've covered the importance of hydration, the challenges of staying hydrated, and the science of electrolytes. We've also explored some effective methods and products for hydrating with electrolytes. Proper hydration practices are essential for our bodies to function properly. Electrolytes play a crucial role in hydration, and getting enough of them can make a huge difference in how we feel. By incorporating electrolyte-rich foods, drinks, or supplements into our daily routines, we can stay hydrated and feel our best. To sum it up, hydration and electrolytes are essential for our bodies to function properly. We've covered a lot of ground, from the importance of hydration to the science of electrolytes and some effective methods for hydrating with electrolytes. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary, and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you have any hydration tips or experiences to share, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in learning more about nutrition or fitness, be sure to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching.